పలికి ఎప్పుడల్లా బిగ్స్బీ అన్న డైరెక్ట్ బిగ్స్బీ పెట్టేయండి. అదే అదే ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ అదే డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఒకప్పుడు జస్ట్ టీవీ ఆన్ చేస్తే అయిపోయింది. అయిపోయిందా? So in this video, let us experience Samsung.
And assisting the people and really meant.
So this is the 65-inch frame series in Samsung. There are many options. Let us go to home, and this is media, where we can access the Samsung apps, and as you all know, Netflix, Prime, Hotstar, YouTube. So this Samsung TV Plus is offering few channels which are for free, but the clarity will be low, and let me show you the speciality of this. So this frame series has the art option, where you can put your photos, and you can also select these images, and after selecting this you can just preview it. And if you are interested, you can just put it as frame. And for purchasing this, it costs you around 1199. There are a number of pictures. For example, let me show you. I have put my mom and dad's picture. So after this, when I select the power button and turn it off, this is how it appears. Once if you turn on the screen, it will go back, and if you want to turn off the TV completely, you need to long press. And to go back, yes, here we are. And let us explore. And in this settings, these are the all settings: support, Wi-Fi, and this is intelligent mode. Whereas when the sound around us is noisy, or at times, if there is any resound, this intelligent mode will autocorrect and will adjust the sound accordingly. And this is optimized picture mode, and this display is going to optimize according to our surroundings. Based on the lighting, the brightness will be increased and decreased. And this is the picture setup, and this is sound mode. We have choose the amplify, since our hall for our hall amplify is the best option. And seems like, okay, I'm sorry,
The two-year yield
let's go
drifts
back.
down. Still camped out above 4%.
So this is connected devices, where we can connect
Look at the euro-dollar market.
the
We
TV
still have
with
market
smart
pricing
things,
at a
and
rate
this is
of
with
right about
TV
5% for 20.
and USB and mobile, and the workspace. In this workspace, we can connect our PC. We can work by connecting to Microsoft. And there's the last one is universal remote. And this is multi-view. In this multi-view, you can use your mobile and as well as YouTube. You can add as per your choice, and you can make your own. So let us check the quality of 4K video. Four K video. Okay, seems like it's appearing in 8K. Let's check.
Used an ordinary.
This is how it is. Yeah, the specialty of this TV is that, so this is the one box where you have to connect all your ports to this box, not to TV. So this cable is too expensive, that is what the dealer said. And you can see the ports. So basically you cannot connect anything to the TV in the back. This model itself is a frame series, so that is the reason they have not given any kind of option to put your plug systems and all in the back side of this. Suppose that you have to purchase this bezels accordingly to your woodwork. So in that way it works. The picture quality is amazing. And this is how the remote is. So these days Samsung is giving a solar panel, and if it doesn't work we can also connect it with type C charger. Things are getting smart day by day.